Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating 2 side tables using Dollar Tree baskets and plastic party cups. You'll need a total of 2 baskets and 9 packs of plastic cups. I'll first be adding hot glue to the basket and then attaching the cup. This project is actually pretty easy. The only thing I would recommend you do is make sure you hold the cup to the basket until it's completely dry. I am just using hot glue now, but later on I will go back and add on E6000. And this is how the first cup looks, and I will be going around the basket doing the same thing. And this is how the first row of cups look. And next I'll be going in between the cups and adding a second row of cups. And finally, I'm adding my third row of cups, and I'm gonna do this one more time for my other basket. And in total, I did a total of 4 because I'm gonna show you all 2 ways to make this side table. So this is just the first side table. And this is both baskets, and now I will be attaching them together. And I'll be using heavy duty construction adhesive by Gorilla Glue. I'm going to be putting the adhesive on the bottom of the basket, and I'll be attaching both together. And then I let the baskets dry for a couple of hours. Also, I did add that E6000 like I told you guys I would, and I just added that on the back of each cup. After it was dry, I spray painted it gold. Next, I got this poster board from the Dollar Tree also, and I'm going to be cutting 2 strips out, and I'm going to be putting this in the middle of the side table. And I'm also adding a strip of silver metallic adhesive paper. Next, I forgot to state earlier that I did trace the basket before I started the table. You can either use the foam board or you can buy a piece of circular wood at Home Depot. They do sell them there. And I'm going to be covering the top with mirrored adhesive paper. After that was done, I added this bling wrap that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I put it around the circle. And after I was finished with the top, I put it on top of the table. And here's a sneak peek of how that looked. For the next table, I got 2 more baskets and I spray painted them before and I attached them inwards. Excuse the white stuff on the top of that basket. I ended up gluing it wrong. And I'm only putting the adhesive on the handles of the basket. Next, I'll be flipping the basket over and I will be putting the adhesive in opposite sides of the basket. I hope that makes sense. So if the adhesive is up and down on one side, I'm going to put it on the opposite of the other basket. This part is optional, but this clip is actually from a DIY that I did not end up posting. And I'm going to be using this for this DIY. I basically just put Mod Podge at the bottom of each cup and I added crushed mirror. And I didn't like the way the Mod Podge was sitting in the cup, so what I did was started pouring a little bit in each one and it started to look a lot neater. After I added the crushed mirror, I let the cups dry and I went ahead and started gluing them in the middle of the basket. And I did take the basket back outside and spray paint that white part because I totally forgot that it was showing. And here's how the second side table turned out. And here's a look at the first one more time. And y'all let me know in the comments which table y'all like the best. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY. Thank you again for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.